wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
La, 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 la.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I was doing my warm-up.
Okay. 1,
2,
3. Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
Today is kind of special.
Yeah, today's very special.
Every episode is really special, but today is special because of...
Because of Play-Doh!
Dough!
Sorry.
Play-Doh.
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 Play-Doh. Whew.
I was faster.
I think you were. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. You're usually not. You're usually slower. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
if that's the case, let's see. I challenge you. I challenge you on this Play-Doh. Who does the rainbow faster?
The rainbow faster.
Yeah, because I had the idea that I'm gonna do a rainbow.
Yeah.
Just like that, inspired by our backdrop.
Oh yeah.
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 And
By out our window.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
And
now I'm challenging you.
you're challenging me to a Play-Doh challenge.
Exactly. And
Ooh.
I believe I can do it faster than you can.
Well, I hereby formally accept your Play-Doh challenge.
Oh, good, because
Sir?
I have all the colors ready and you don't have anything.
What? I'm making mine with different colors. Some of the colors are from the rainbow and some of them are different. So I'm making like an exciting new version. Mine's going to be fast and
blah,
original.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah. You're a mean older brother. You're like, I'm better than you. I'm better than you.
I am.
Yeah, you are mean.
Ready?
Ready? Set,
Set,
go!
go!
Don't let colors down. Noah,
Well,
that's cheating.
I didn't cheat. How did that? How is that cheating?
Because I didn't knock your colors down and you knocked mine down. And you already...
Why you're throwing your Play-Doh on my side?
I was distracting you because you knocked my colors down. I'm trying to catch up. Because you even had your colors out and...
I didn't have my colors out.
Well, this will all come out of the thing.
Oh, I'm sorry. So, kids, if
Okay.
you want to do the rainbow at home too, make sure you get out your Play-Doh set.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the first one, because this is all the way on top, the first arch, I'm making it really, 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 really long.
Oh,
I just gave away my secret, but that's okay.
mine's a little bit
I'm
different.
still going to beat you.
That's okay. Mine's, I think, going to be a little shorter than yours.
It comes after red.
Oh, I know a trick for knowing that. Do you know my trick? No? My trick for knowing which color comes next is a word game. It's called Roy G. Biv, which is like, you can pretend like it's a funny name. And it helps you remember the color of the rainbow because
Roy G. Biff?
Roy, like some guy named Roy,
Okay.
G, as in, oh gee, I like the rainbow.
Okay.
And Biv as in, I guess just Biv, but maybe like beverage Biv. But
So it's
each,
Roy as in R-O-Y, and that stands for red, orange.
yellow, yep. And G stands for green, and Biv is blue, and then violet. Yeah. So it just helps you remember because it's like, because all the colors are contained in Roy G. Biv, so you know which order they go in.
I don't know if I remember that.
You can try.
Why are you throwing your Play-Doh on my side?
it just bounced. Sometimes it just bounces, you know? Like, yeah. I think, let's see. I don't have any yellow, so I'm going to do 2 blues.
That'll look weird.
That's okay. It's going to be a different kind of rainbow.
Well, everybody will love my rainbow then.
I think everybody will love a rainbow with 2. Why wouldn't you love a rainbow with 2 blues? Blue's your favorite color. You should be happy about a rainbow with 2 blues.
Yeah, but a rainbow has a certain style. So, Roy, red, orange, yellow.
Yep. G. What's the G for? Do you
I'm
remember
not
the
there
G?
yet.
You're not there yet.
I'm doing yellow right now.
Oh. And I'm
Yours
doing
looks horrible.
Well, there was nothing about how beautiful I had to look, and I think it looks really nice.
Well, the kids are going to vote.
That's not what the contest was.
The kids are going to vote and let us know which one they like best.
I think they'll like mine because mine's original.
It looks horrible.
I think it looks great. I think yours looks just the same.
No, mine looks good.
Mine looks good.
Mine looks better.
I don't think that you know if that's true.
Kids, are you going to let us know which one you like better? Yeah? Was that a yes?
Yeah, I think you should let us know, but I think also you should remember that the contest was about who did it the fastest. Right?
And the bestest.
No, we didn't have that in the contest rules. That wasn't there. There. Mine is done, and because mine's done so fast, I'm going to do an extra thing. I'm going to do, what am I going to do? I'm going to do this. I'll surprise you, hold on. So I'm going to make this nice and thin, and out there, and let's see. I'm going to make like that. Do you kids know what I'm making? I am making a flower underneath my rainbow. And that's the stem. And this is going to be the flower part. Ooh. There.
Flowers aren't blue.
Sunflowers are blue. There's,
Where's the stem? The stem isn't blue.
the stem is blue on this one. This one, maybe because of the rainbow, it is reflecting back the color. See?
That doesn't make sense.
It's art. Art doesn't have to make sense. Art can be like anything you want.
I think you have to come to science class so I can teach you.
I'll go to science class if you come to art class.
I don't like that.
So, you can learn. Not everybody likes everything the first time they try it. That'd be like, I don't know, you can't just do something one time and know if you'll, hey, and yes, you do like art. Right now. You're making art right now.
No, I'm just beating you at a challenge.
Yeah, but you're beating me at an art challenge, and you're not. I think I won. See, I have a rainbow. I already finished it, and I have a flower. See? Yeah. And it's got clouds. I think it looks really good. Yeah. I'm very happy with my rainbow. See, guys? It's not quite right to do it because I didn't have yellow, but it's
See,
red,
that's why
orange.
not only did I make it right.
I made it right enough.
No,
Yeah-huh.
no,
Yeah-huh.
no.
Yeah-huh. You had the yellow. I couldn't use it if you had it all. And now, I will take some yellow from here that you were hiding from me.
I wasn't hiding, it was right there.
Whatever, it was on your side, and I didn't think I was supposed to use your colors because you kept calling them your colors and my colors. I didn't want to get in your way. So, look. Now I'm adding a sun.
I'm done. See, I beat you.
You did not beat me. I won. And look, I made a sun, and I made a flower.
Are you ready to show the kids?
Yeah, I'm ready to show the kids.
If you know, rainbow only works when there's sun and rain.
Oh yeah, when the sun comes out after the rain, yeah,
Or when
Yeah.
the rain...
gets reflected or refracted by the sun.
Why don't we show the kids?
Yeah, let's show it. Let's show it. Yay!
Hi, kids!
Hi kids, we're back again, and
Wow.
my rainbow's better. My rainbow's
think
better.
my
I did it
rainbow's
faster. And you see the clouds?
I didn't
all
like
the colors and
I didn't
Georgie.
like look at my clouds. My clouds are so fluffy. My clouds are the fluffiest clouds ever. And then I also have, look, I have a little sun, and in front I have a flower. That's right. I have a rainbow, clouds, a sun, and a flower. In the same time, you have just a rainbow and clouds. And my dinner looks so pretty. I love it.
But mine is Roy G. Biff.
Mine is mostly Roy G. Biff, but I didn't have yellow, so
I think my rainbow looks very, very similar to the one that we have in the background here.
yeah. I think mine looks very, very similar too. Yeah, I really like it. Did you kids make a...
I don't think so.
I think so.
Well, why don't we ask the kids? Kids,
Hi, kids!
you let us know which of these rainbows is better. Mine,
Yeah.
of course, mine, or...
Or mine. And
that-
also, who had the most fun? Maybe I had more fun because I'm less concerned about how good it is. Ooh.
But you know what? What I
Uh-huh.
would love best?
What?
If you kids share with us your pictures of a rainbow.
Yeah.
Because
really like
then
that. Mm-hmm.
maybe next time we can do it even better. Just like yours.
Yeah, and you can make them any colors you want, or different order of colors, or even like a different shape. You can make a rainbow as a star or a moon.
Well, this is a pretty cool Play-Doh intro. I'm sure we're going to do lots with Play-Doh in the future.
Oh yeah, this was definitely awesome.
So make sure to send us your challenges and any other Play-Doh games you are supposed to play, right?
Yeah, because I don't know that many Play-Doh games yet.
And we'll do all of them. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
I think that's it for today's show.
Okay.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye.
My bye was better too.
No, it wasn't.
No, they were probably the same.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.